If you are someone that likes to use Adobe Spark Page to create individual website pages, you're going to love the Nerds Do-It-Yourself Spark website. This allows you to use multiple Spark pages, up to 10 in fact, to create an actual website that you can host on your own hosting service and use your own domain name. Let me show you how easy it is to set this website up. Once you purchase the website, you'll be given an opportunity to download the actual zip file that contains the Do-It-Yourself Spark website. And I've just placed it on my desktop here, so I'm just going to double click on it to open it up. And that presents me with a folder with a number of files in it. In order to use this, you just need to tell it what Spark pages you would like to use within the website. So to do that, just select the configuration file and open it using any regular text editor. Now I've got a number available on my computer. I could use BB Edits, I could use Notes, Text Edit. I prefer to use an application called Brackets. And this will open up the text editor that I can make changes to it. Now the changes that are required within this file, you just simply type your information between the opening and closing brackets on each line. And there's instructions provided in the comments. But since I want the company name to be my company name, I'll type in Nerd Software and make sure that I stay between those brackets. You don't want to have any additional spaces on either the left or the right, and you just go down the list. So on this section, I would insert the page names that I want each page to use. Now I've already done this, so I'm just going to cheat a little bit and open up a file that actually has all of this done already and go back. But as you can see, all I've done here is inserted homepage, Meet Susan, Spectacular Weddings, Unforgettable Memories, etc. And I have up to 10 pages that I can set up and use. Now in this case, I want you to be able to see the actual links, so I'm just going to put another page, another page, another page to show you that you can have up to 10. In the next section, this is where you actually tell each one of these pages that you want to use what Spark page you want that page to be. And all you need to do is insert the full URL to the Spark pages that you've created. And you just do that for each page. So if I want the home page, page number 1, it needs to match up with Spark page 1. And you just do that for the 10 pages that you can use. Now additionally, with version 2 of the Do-It-Yourself Spark website, you can also have social networking links that will show up within the menu. And we've included 9 popular social networking links. So if you do have a Facebook business page, you can just insert the actual URL to your Facebook page. And obviously we have other social networking links, so Twitter, Instagram, etc. Now the neat thing about this is we know that not everyone needs to have a full 10 pages or that they're going to use every social networking link. And it's very easy to basically tell the website, I don't have one of these pages or I don't want to use it. And all you need to do is type the words not used in all caps in place of the URL or the page name. So in other words, if I didn't want to use page number 10, I would take away the actual name that I have there, and I would simply type not space used. That'll tell the system I don't have a page 10. I don't want to use page 10. And it won't show up. It does not matter that there is a Spark page 10 with a URL. This is the actual menu item, and it just won't show up. And that's it. Once you've filled in the blanks here, you just save this file, and it's ready to use. Now, since version 2 of the Nerds Do-It-Yourself Spark website allows you to use your own company logo. And it's pretty easy to insert this. You just go into the images folder and replace this logo.ping file with your company logo.ping file. Now it does need to be in a PNG format. So that allows you to have a company logo with a transparent background, which is preferred. I'd also like to note that I find in most instances that a company logo that is landscaped oriented, in other words, it's wider than it is taller, seems to work better. In this particular case, our logo is about 420 pixels by 90 pixels. I would generally recommend that you make the height of your logo around 100 pixels tall. Save it, rename it exactly as this is. So in other words, logo in lowercase .png, and just copy over top of this image. So you're going to replace the logo ping file in the image folder. Once you do that, you're ready to upload your website to the actual hosting service that you use. So I've set this up a little bit. Here's the light version, the white, of the do-it-yourself website. And as you can see, we've got a Spark page. We have a menu with the full 10 pages, and we're using several of the social networking links. We've also included a telephone and an email. But in order to show you how to get this active on your hosting service, here we are in a dark version. It's not very dark right now because we haven't loaded anything onto this particular domain name yet. So all you need to do is open up the FTP program that you use and copy. You're going to copy all of the files that were contained in that folder and just upload them to your hosting service. And it only takes a few moments to do that. There is a number of files, but they're all pretty small. And once the upload is complete, that's it, you're done. You now have a website at the domain name of your choice. And if I refresh this page, I now have a Spark Dark website with the full menu, up to 10 pages, and I can choose to use as many of those as I wish. My social networking links are there, and they will open up in a new tab when they're clicked. And if I click on the phone, for instance, it will automatically attempt to dial the number. And if I click on the mail link, it will automatically open up a new email message to be sent to whatever email address you configure. So you have a full 10-page website with social networking links, telephone email capabilities, And you can use up to 10 individual Spark pages that you've created. Now, if I wanted to change any one of these actual pages, the Spark pages themselves, I don't need to do anything with the actual website that we've uploaded. I just need to log into my Adobe Spark account, open up this particular page, and make whatever changes that I want to and republish it. And the changes will automatically show up on the website. Easy to use, easy to manage. We hope you like it.